How to get pink blocks in Block Blast. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's begin. If you want to get pink blocks in Block Blast, you want to open the Block Blast app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. As you can see, all of my blocks here are in green color. So if you want all of your blocks in pink color or any other color, then all you want to do is tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. You will find different settings over here. Now, to change the color of your blocks, you want to tap on the replay option. Once you tap on the replay option, your colors will be changed. So as you can see, I've got some new colors like sky blue and yellow. If you want to get pink blocks, then all you want to do is keep on tapping on the replay option until you get pink blocks. Now this is a random process, so it might take some time for the pink blocks to appear, but until you get that, you want to tap on the replay option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.